Hello, my name is Fama, and welcome to Miaraka. Miaraka means together in Malagasy, the native language of Madagascar, my home country. The goal of Miaraka is to bring people and businesses together to realize Afro dreams. Miaraka is a platform where your idea goes viral, get partners, get mentors, and you get paid for it simply by having fans. If you define yourself as being black, African, or Afro-descent, you're welcome to present your idea here. Well, to start Miaraka, I decided to create a contest. The goal of this contest is to get as much fans as possible. You will be able to submit for this contest from the 12th June to the 13th of July. And then the contest will take place from the 31st of July to the 13th of August. Everybody can be fan of your idea. By becoming fan, people will watch an ad and share your project. So your project will go viral and you will get 60% of the ad revenues. And the winner will become on top 1,000 euro for the first one, 500 euros for the second, and 250 euros for the third one. To increase the prices, I decided to take partners. So if your project is chosen by one partner, you will be able to compete also to get their prices. That's it. So what are you waiting for? Submit your idea.